This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, September the 21st, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the southeastern part of the country, a low pressure system over northern Minnesota with a cold front swinging into the state. This brought some cloudiness, some sprinkles, and will bring some gusty winds later today. Watch warning map. From around midnight, wind advisories in southwestern Minnesota into the Red River Valley of the North, frost advisories, or frost and freeze advisories over the Black Hills of South Dakota into Nebraska and Wyoming. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 3 days, since the 5-day one didn't update. This is through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows little, if any, precipitation is going to fall in the next 3 days. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This has updated at 1 p.m. today. You can see that upper level feature, vortex over the Iron Range of northeastern Minnesota, trough over the central plains and into the western Great Lakes. We'll see maybe some residual clouds north of Interstate 80, where temperatures may be kept into the upper 50s, otherwise lower 60s elsewhere. Thursday, that upper level feature moves a little bit to the east, but there still could be some residual cloudiness, especially in the northeastern half of the state, where temperatures will be held in the mid to upper 50s, otherwise low 60s or low to mid 60s elsewhere. Friday, you see a high pressure or a big H over western Illinois, but it'll be a dirty high because an upper level low will be right under it with clouds. And we move to Saturday, and there's the upper level low. It's still there to the east of the state. Some residual clouds, especially in the eastern counties. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny in the west. Sunday, same story. That upper level feature is still close by. Some residual clouds, especially east of about Highway 63. Monday, it begins to move off enough that we should see high pressure move in and clear the skies out with sunshine statewide and highs climbing back to near 70. Tuesday, sunshine, dry, highs in the lower to middle 70s with no chance of rain in sight. A week from today, the 28th, you can see there's that upper level feature now over New England and the middle Atlantic states. Ridge developing to our west, and where we are, high and dry, sunny, and likely in the lower to middle 70s by that point. We head off into Voodoo, October the 4th. Ridge over the southern and eastern United States, the main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border with a bit of a vortex over California that could bring some showers there. But here, high and dry and sunny, with seasonal temperatures in the upper 60s to lower to middle 70s at that point. We head to the end of the forecast, October the 6th. Ridge over the center part of the country, big trough over the Pacific Northwest and over New England. And where we'll be about right in the middle, a high pressure system just northeast of Lake Superior. Some southerly winds will begin to take hold, and slightly warmer conditions will behold by the first week of October. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.